This is a feature spotlight showing data lineage in DvSum. The idea of data lineage is simple. You kick off a scan and DvSum catalogs your data assets to build up an intuitive view of your complex data flows. This is crucial if you need to provide an audit trail for data provenance or compliance reasons, and it's a big time saver if you're considering a change and want to know the impact or troubleshooting an analytics problem and need to track down the root cause. And DvSum is in a unique position to provide complex data lineage that's tightly coupled with data quality and data governance all in the same platform. Here, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration. In this case, I've already got a data asset open. This is my policy table. It's in the gold layer of a traditional medallion architecture. And here we can see when I bring up lineage that this table at the gold layer is being fed from upstream from the silver layer, of course. I could expand more and see all of the contributing things beyond that one table to say, hey, this is everything that contributes to loading the policy table. So we get this quick upstream view of what's going on. Or I can do more unstructured searching through my data, say, hey, this loads downstream to these two views, but this view, like, what are the other things that contribute to this one? And immediately find out, all right, it was policy that I started with, but also these other things. And so it gives me a simple way to navigate my data flows throughout the enterprise. Now I'm going to switch to one other example. I'm starting with the person table here. And we can see that in this case, there's nothing upstream from it, but it contributes to a few downstream things. It's analogous to what we were seeing before, where I can see all the downstream nodes. In fact, here, let's expand all the downstream nodes for the person table. But now let's add in some of that integration where I want to know there were some sensitive fields in the person table, and now I know exactly where they flow to other tables. These tables and views have that sensitive data. These ones don't, so I get a really immediate solution to knowing where my data is moving. And then it's integrated with the data quality platform as well. So I could take a use case like, hey, my person table has a problem, but what's going on? Data quality rules are fine here for person at the gold layer. They're all fine at the silver layer as well. But when I go back, I see, aha, there's something happening at the operational level. There was this problem, and now we can track down exactly what's going on. This tight integration between systems makes it easy to solve problems like that. Okay. Thanks for watching this DvSum feature spotlight. There's lots more information at dvsum.ai.